enjoy yourself. While for the person we no one flex. Even though the government.
This guy will greet me now, Mazi, this month. Well done, no. Think I need and he look like Yahoo boy. He look like Yahoo boy.
Problem no definition, enjoy yourself.
Yahoo boy! Yahoo boy! Boy! Oh! Yahoo boy! Yahoo boy! No verse, so that time they greet me, nah, they do something important.
No, understand.
Apa na work?
No, work do. I don't tire.
How that country now?
We do. For the small, the bomber small. So thank God.
And you ask me how you can help me.
I cannot help you now.
Na small problem, I get big problem, but na only one go solve.
Okay, what's my problem?
Okay. No verse. I need 1,000.
My bros like this. Forget my ATM for yard, bro.
You forget to eat it.
Look at ATM.
Pay me 500 naira. 500.
I know money, sir. I know money. See my pocket dry. One day I know this, sir.
200.
I know. Oh, see, I search myself for you. I know money. If you money, I'll give you now.
You know what 200?
I know 200. What's the day, sir?
I better come on here. At least say everybody will carry drive for head. Now they do Yahoo. Come on here, bro. Come on here.